Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to install GCam on your Nokia C110.
Step 1. Visit our website by clicking on the first link in the description. Step 2. On our website, go to the download section and download GCam APK file. Step 3. Go to video instruction section on our website. There you will find step-by-step guide on how to install that GCam APK. That's it. Don't forget to visit our website for complete instructions and APK file. Lastly, here's some GCam versus stock camera app comparison.